In this example, we are going to solve a system of equations with three variables. And I'm going to do it based on the elimination method. So in this case, I'm going to try and eliminate y since y is by itself in the second equation. So I'm going to eliminate y from the first and the second and third. So let's start with the first equation. 3x minus 2y plus 4z equals 35. If I want to eliminate the second with this equation, I need to multiply it by 2 so that I get the same coefficients that are opposite. So now I have negative 8x plus 2y minus 10z equals a negative 72. I can add these equations together and it will get me a negative 5x. My y's are gone. Minus 6z equal to 35 minus 72 is going to get us a negative 37. I'm going to put a nice star next to this equation because I'm going to need to use it later. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and I'm going to try and eliminate y from these two equations now. So again, I'm using the third. I'm going to rewrite the third down. And now I need to multiply the second by a positive 3 so that my y's will cancel, which will now get me a negative 12x plus 3y minus 15z equal to 36 times 3 being 108. We can add these together now, and this will get us a negative 7x, y's are gone, minus 12z equal to 31 minus 108 gets us negative 77. We'll put a nice star next to this one as well. Now I need to cancel another variable. In this case, z is going to be the easiest one to cancel. Because 6 or 12 is just double 6. So I am going to multiply this equation over here by a negative 2. When I multiply it by a negative 2, I'm going to get 10x plus 12z equal to a negative 37 times a negative 2 will get us 74. And we're going to add that on to the negative 7x minus 12z equal to negative 77. Add them will get us 3x equal to negative 3, so x equals negative 1. We have found one of our variables. Now we need to find another. We can go back to these two start equations because now we have x. We should be able to plug x in to find z from either one of those. Doesn't matter. I'm probably going to use this one right here, the one that I just underlined, because a little bit smaller numbers. So negative 5 times, we know x is negative 1, minus 6z equals negative 37. So we get 5 minus 6z equals negative 37. We'll subtract the 5, so we get negative 6z equals negative 42. So z is going to equal 7. Now we have one more variable to find, and that's going to be y. And I'm going to say let's use the middle one, although you can use any one that you want. I'm just going to use y. So we have the middle one. So negative 4 times now negative 1 plus y. Scroll back up to see what my equation looks like again. Minus 5 times 7 is going to equal negative 36. So we get 4 plus y minus 35 equals negative 36. 4 and a negative 35 is going to get us a negative 31. We're going to add that over, and it will get us negative 5. So our order triple that makes this whole thing true is going to be -1, -5, and 7, which represents the answer to our system of equations.